Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video, we're going to review the Australian-made Austral fold-down single clothesline. Now, this clothesline suits 4 to 5 people. It has 12 lines in total, giving a 28.5 metres of hanging space. The line is actually a massive 2.4 metres wide, which means you can hang a queen sheet on it. And it also is 1.5 metres deep, which is from the wall to you. It's an all-metal construction. It has metal wall brackets, it has metal arms and a metal frame, and it has a poly cord. It does come with different colour options which are available on the website. It can also be ground mounted. In this installation we have it wall mounted, but you can buy an optional ground mount kit on the web store. It is a very simple line tensioning system. It's easy to install and easy to assemble and comes with a full 20-year manufacturer's warranty. It's also quite easy to fold down when not in use. So I'm just going to show you how to do that now. You lift it above the horizontal and drop it down slowly. As you can see, very easy to do. To raise it, it's much the same. You lift it up above the horizontal till the brackets lock in place and then drop it down slowly. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So as you can see, it's very versatile and a very useful clothesline. So I hope that has assisted you with the evaluation of the Austral single fold down clothesline. So for this and all other clothesline solutions, please visit us at theclotheslinestore.com.au. My name's Jason and bye for now.